Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We got the first book of Samuel. Talking about number three jumped out at me. Over here, we got 1 Samuel 3, and number 2 jumped out at me. So let's do it. It says, talk no more so exceeding proudly. Let not arrogancy come out of your mouth. For the Lord is a God of knowledge, and by him actions are weighed. Talking about, all right, on 3, you know what I'm saying? It says, and ere the lamp of God went out in the temple of the Lord, where the ark of God was, and Samuel was laid down to sleep. Well, I'm going to say this. When I first started reading this joint, you know what I'm saying? I it ain't up to me. It's something from our history. But I didn't agree with those type terms. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't the one to sit up and like try to exploit no situations. I put it like that. You know what I'm saying? I know God got one wife for me, and that's good enough. You know what I'm saying? She gonna get tired of my ass. I'm gonna bug the shit out of her. I love her to death. But I'm changed that. I love her to life. This is authentic or nothing. So I had to say it like I said it, you know what I'm saying? Because this joint here that I'm reading out of, you know, I've been reading a lot of like legal documents and statutes and codes and different things, you know what I'm saying? And one thing about me, when I get the feeling that it's something that I'm supposed to be doing, especially since I be talking to God, you know what I'm saying? This right here takes priority over that, you know, um, takes priority over pretty much anything I do, because anything that I do stems off from God. Uh, I don't consider myself as doing it. That's God doing it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, that's God doing it. You know what I'm saying? He's the most high. He holds the highest title. I'm just his puppet. His fingertips doing what he want. You know what I'm talking about? And yeah, it's authentic or nothing. Later on this afternoon now.